In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Facebook Pixel on your WordPress site in 2025. Setting up Facebook Pixel is an essential step if you're looking to optimize your Facebook ad campaigns and gain valuable insights into user behavior on your website. Today, I'll guide you through the process so you can get started smoothly. First, you'll need to create your Facebook Pixel. Begin by logging into your Facebook Business Manager account. From there, navigate to the Events Manager. Once in, you'll want to select Connect Data Sources, then choose Web, and finally, Metapixel. At this point, you'll be prompted to name your pixel. You can also add your website URL, although this step is optional. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Continue. Follow the remaining setup instructions to obtain your pixel ID and the accompanying code snippet. Now let's add this Facebook pixel to your WordPress site. I recommend doing this using a plugin as it simplifies the process a lot. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, then add new. You can search for and install the official Metapixel for WordPress plugin or a popular alternative such as Pixel Your Site. Once it's installed, activate the plugin. In the plugin settings, you'll be able to connect it directly to your Facebook business account, or you can enter your Pixel ID manually. The beauty of using a plugin is that it will automatically insert the Facebook Pixel code into your site's header without you having to delve into any coding. For those of you who prefer a more hands-on approach, there's an alternative method. You can add the pixel manually using a header-footer code plugin, install a plugin like WP Code, or insert headers and footers. Once you've done that, return to your Facebook Events Manager and copy the full JavaScript Facebook pixel-based code. Navigate to the plugin settings on your WordPress site and paste this code directly into the header section. Don't forget to save your changes to ensure the pixel code gets inserted across your site. After setting up the pixel, it's crucial to verify that it's working correctly. There's a handy tool called the Facebook Pixel Helper, a Chrome extension, which you can use to confirm that the pixel is firing correctly on your pages. In addition, you should also head back to Facebook Events Manager to check for status updates and test events. This will help you confirm that your tracking is functioning right. Finally, if you want to take things a step further, you can set up advanced events and conversions. Utilize your Facebook Business Manager to configure standard or custom events such as purchases, leads, or form submissions. Some plugins like Pixel Your Site offer point-and-click event setups, eliminating the need for any coding. And that's it. You've now set up Facebook Pixel on your WordPress website, ready to optimize your ad campaigns. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials.